everyone, welcome to WOCHN's tough and super adaptable all-solar mounting system, designed to easily handle any site or terrain challenge. For ground mounts, soil conditions needed be analyzed by a local professional installation team to decide whether to use concrete foundations, precast blocks, or ground screws. After confirming the position according to the drawings and securing the base to the concrete foundation, we begin to build single-size, attached 4 square tubes to the base. These can be customized to different lengths depending on what the customer needs. Then come the slant beam, and guess what? The all system comes with pre-assembled slant rails and 3 adapters, so that is less time spent putting parts together and more money saved on labor. Perfect! The array frame is all set. Our cross beams are secured by rail fixed kits on both sides. The mid and end clamps for the all are compatible with panels that are 30 to 40 feet tall, and don't forget to fasten the grounding lugs too. Aluminum section used in the all system that are designed and certified to handle high wind and heavy snow. We also offer OEM customization to match your needs. It is practical, versatile, easy to install, and that is why it is trusted by so many customers.